If you have pending transfers on your Wells Fargo account, it's important to address them promptly to ensure your transactions are processed correctly. Follow these steps to resolve any pending transfers. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account by entering your username and password. This will allow you to view your account details and any pending transactions. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Payments section in the main menu. Click on it to view all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Review pending transfers. In the Transfers section, look for any transactions marked as pending. Take note of the details, including the amount, day, and recipient, to understand what needs to be addressed. Step 4. Check for issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you cannot resolve the pending transfers on your own, reach out to Wells Fargo customer support. You can do this via phone or through the online chat feature. Provide them with the details of the pending transfers for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve any pending transfers in your Wells Fargo account. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.